Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type C: and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *.* space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space *.* space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type this command. cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type attrib space C: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space C: /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.